brand entire university or entire students are anti-nationals. People who have put up a poster and held a demonstration, a country without post office. India is a without post. नाम निशानी नहीं है. ऐसा पोस्टर पुट अप किया. उसमें लिखा है against the Brahminical corrective conscience against the judicial killing of Afzal Guru and Maqbul Bhatt in solidarity with the struggle of the Kashmiri people for their democratic right for self-determination. This is the poster. People are saying this is anti-national. Why are you sympathizing with those people? You are not anti-national. Nobody called you as anti-national. Nobody can give a certificate of nation or anti-national. You are trying to take a cover under the students. Students are nationalists. Some fellows who are inspired by Maoist ideology are trying to mislead them, misguide them and put into difficulties. That is the situation. Nobody can say Jawaharlal University is a great university. We want that university to flourish and great people have come. But some people are now doing this. That is the issue. Please don't try to divert the attention. Nobody is morphing. Morphing is done by the people who are involved at the first instance. Subsequently, they have changed their stance. That is the evidence. You want to see the photographs? Everything is there. If the morphed photos are there, then we can take action against them. All these photographs with the names. Who are the people who participated in the demonstration? Who are the persons who are there? And what are the slogans they have raised? All these things are on record. Let the university come out with that and there is an inquiry. But don't make sweeping. You are a very hard-working party worker. Nothing wrong as we. We are also party people. But when we are presenting it before the House, saying that every student is branded as anti-national, no fool on the earth can say such a word. I can tell you. Number one. Number two, whether you are a national or not, people will decide. Nah? How can one brand entire institution? We have no such intention. It is wrong. Please don't try to mislead the people.
I'm happy that Honorable Minister Venkaiah Ji has clarified the position, but you should advise your own MLAs and leaders. Your MLA, what he said, the Rajasthan MLA, what he said, I don't want to quote. But जब छात्रों आपका विरोध कर रहा है, आप निरोध के बारे में कह रहे हैं, वहाँ आपका MLA ने कहा. So, and one of your national secretary wanted one MP to kill his daughter, to shoot her daughter because she is an anti-national. So please advise your own leaders, your own MLAs and MPs. Yes. So, Madam, yes. So I'm coming to the last aspect. Last aspect. Sir, Madam, now we are also being targeted or branded as anti-nationals. Now you are creating a divide between nationals and anti-nationals. Yes, nationalists and anti-nationals. So we are thankful to you for giving an opportunity to expose you. Who are anti-nationals? I would like to say we would rather allow our body to be cut into pieces than we will not allow our country to be cut into pieces. Yes, we have bravely fought throughout these years in Kashmir, in Assam, in Punjab. We have fought this extremists in Kashmir, terrorists in Kashmir. Many of our comrades have become martyrs. Hundreds of our comrades have become martyrs fighting Khalistan extremists in Punjab. No, this is an important emotional issue, madam. This is an important issue. Yes. Many of our comrades have become martyrs fighting Khalistan extremists in Punjab, in Assam. So, and we have got a glorious history of freedom struggle. Harkishan Singh Surdit, the legendary communist leader, at the age of 16 years, he braving the bullets of British, he hoisted national flag, the tricolor, in Hoshiarpur Collectorate. And EMS Namboodiripad, and the British government put a price of rupees 50,000 on his head during the freedom struggle. And AKG, once he was a leader of opposition, the first leader of opposition, AK Gopalan, and he was still in jail when the country was freed, when country attained independence on 15th August 1947. Yes. He was still in jail. So that is the legacy of left. That is the legacy of communists. And our legacy is that of Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev, Chandrasekhar Azad, Rajguru,
Everybody.
and Kishori
Sri
Lal and
Varaprasad
Shiva Verma, great comrades of
Now
Bhagat
you
Singh,
have
were with us.
Yes,
Captain Lakshmi
everybody
was
has
with
it.
us. And what is your tradition? I don't want to create any
Now conclude.
any problem here.
Now
So
conclude,
what
please.
is your
More
what
than
is your
15
tradition?
minutes.
Can
I'm
you
sorry.
give a single
We
name
Varaprasad
of freedom
Rao.
fighters?
Yes.
Can you give a single name of freedom
Only 2
fighters?
minutes,
Can you
not
give a
more
single
than that.
name who are not fought clemency
Yes,
from British?
now it's okay now. I have taken his name, please. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.